Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to invest but don't know where to start, ETFs could be the perfect solution. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of ETFs, what they are, how they work, and why they're one of the smartest investment choices for beginners. Stick around for the next 45 minutes, and you'll gain a solid understanding of ETFs and how they can help you build a diversified portfolio with ease. What is an ETF? First things first, what exactly is an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's a type of investment fund that holds a collection of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, and is traded on an exchange like a stock. Think of an ETF as a basket of different investments that you can buy into with just one purchase. Unlike mutual funds, which are priced at the end of the trading day, ETFs trade like stocks throughout the day at market prices. Types of ETFs. ETFs come in various shapes and sizes, catering to different investment goals. Here are the main types of ETFs you should know about. Equity ETFs. These track stocks and are the most common type of ETF. They can follow a specific index like the S&P 500 or a sector like technology or healthcare. Bond ETFs. These invest in bonds and provide a way to diversify your portfolio with fixed income assets. Sector and industry ETFs. These focus on specific sectors or industries, such as energy, real estate. International ETFs. These give you exposure to global markets, investing in companies outside of your home country. Commodity ETFs. These track the price of commodities like gold, oil, or agricultural products, allowing you to invest in physical goods without owning them directly. By understanding the different types of ETFs, you can choose the ones that align with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. How ETFs work. Now that you know what ETFs are and the different types available, let's dive into how they actually work. Creation and redemption. ETFs are created when a financial institution, known as an authorized participant, assembles a basket of assets and exchanges them for ETF shares. These shares are then traded on the stock exchange. Trading ETFs. Unlike mutual funds, ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the trading day at market prices. This gives you the flexibility to react to market changes in real time. Liquidity. One of the key advantages of ETFs is their liquidity, meaning they are easy to buy and sell. This is because ETFs are traded on exchanges and often have high trading volumes, ensuring there are always buyers and sellers available. Transparency. Most ETFs disclose their holdings daily, so you always know what's inside your ETF. This transparency is a big plus for investors who want to know exactly what they're investing in. Benefits of investing in ETFs. ETFs have become incredibly popular among investors, and for good reasons. Here are some of the key benefits of investing in ETFs. Diversification. With just one ETF, you can gain exposure to a wide range of assets, reducing the risk associated with investing in individual stocks or bonds. Cost effectiveness. ETFs generally have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds, meaning more of your money stays invested. Flexibility. ETFs can be traded throughout the day, allowing you to take advantage of price fluctuations. Plus, they're available in various asset classes, giving you the flexibility to build a well-rounded portfolio. Tax efficiency. Due to their unique structure, ETFs are generally more tax efficient than mutual funds, helping you keep more of your returns. These benefits make ETFs an attractive option for both beginner and seasoned investors alike. How to choose the right ETFs. With so many ETFs available, how do you choose the right one for your portfolio? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make an informed decision. Step 1. Define your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term growth, income, or something else? Your goals will guide your ETF selection. Step 2. Consider the asset class. Decide if you want to invest in stocks, bonds, commodities, or a mix of these. Step 3. Check the expense ratio. The lower the expense ratio, the less you'll pay in fees, which can significantly impact your returns over time. Step 4. Review performance. Look at the ETF's historical performance, but remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Step 5. Understand the ETF's holdings. Make sure you're comfortable with the assets the ETF is investing in and how they align with your risk tolerance. Step 6. Check liquidity and trading volume. Higher liquidity means the ETF is easier to buy and sell without affecting its price. By following these steps, you can select ETFs that match your investment strategy and help you achieve your financial goals. Risks of investing in ETFs. While ETFs offer many advantages, they also come with certain risks that you should be aware of. Market risk. Like any investment in the stock market, ETFs are subject to market risk, meaning their value can fluctuate based on market conditions. Tracking error. ETFs aim to replicate the performance of an index, but they may not always perfectly track it due to factors like fees and market conditions. This is known as tracking error. Liquidity risk. While most ETFs are highly liquid, some niche or less popular ETFs may have lower liquidity, making them harder to buy or sell at desired prices. Sector-specific risks. If you invest in sector or industry-specific ETFs, your investment is concentrated in that sector, which can increase risk if that sector underperforms. Understanding these risks will help you make more informed decisions and manage your portfolio effectively. How to start investing in ETFs. Ready to start investing in ETFs? Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable broker that offers a wide range of ETFs and has low fees. Step 2. Fund your account. Deposit the amount you're ready to invest. Remember to only invest money you can afford to leave in the market for the long term. Step 3. Research ETFs. Use the criteria we discussed earlier to select ETFs that align with your investment goals. Step 4. Place your first trade. Once you've chosen an ETF, place a buy order through your brokerage account. Congratulations, you're now an ETF investor. Step 5. Monitor and rebalance. Periodically review your ETF holdings to ensure they're still aligned with your goals. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Thanks for watching this in-depth guide on understanding ETFs. I hope you now have a clearer picture of how ETFs work and how they can fit into your investment strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and financial education, and ring the bell to get notified whenever we upload new content. Feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Happy investing!